generating human code doesn't even make sense, right? Like there's a world where you can get to that the way that you interact with the computer is instead of generating code, you're kind of, asking the model to behave like code. And I'm going to give a demo of that in just a little bit. Jensen had this great quote, which is, soon every single pixel will be generated, not rendered, generated. And, maybe he's talking about video games, maybe he's talking about your entire computer. I think that there's a lot of people I've talked to in the industry where we kind of say, okay, well, when are we going to get the full end-to-end neural computer where, you basically have all your software, it's all prompted, it's end-to-end, it generates every pixel on your screen and sort of adapts to the way you're working. And it's not, again, it should not be thought of as like it's generating JavaScript code or C code that's being JIT compiled and then run. It's something that's like behaving like that software itself. So thought too is like, what if instead of generating software, we just ask the large language model to be software? This is where computers are going. This is what your computer is going to look like in 20 years. You're going to have, maybe you want ye old, maybe you want something that's a little bit more like Windows 95 style. Maybe you want something that's like 1800 style. This is not stuff that was possible. So first of all, like when you prompt it that way, the way that it talks to you changes. You can see what's going to happen, especially as you start to get like a fully end-to-end neural video encoding for your webcam. You're going to start. It's just going to be like, oh well, maybe we should change this image so you look like a knight or something, right? That will be the emergent properties that come out of having all of the software that you interact with on a day-to-day basis be prompted into existence, not coded.